Hello and welcome. I'm Tom Bruiser from Performance in Lighting, and today I'm presenting our new FL Round Plus luminaire family to you. Performance in Lighting is known for intelligent and flexible lighting solutions that meet the individual requirements of interior areas. Our lights blend perfectly into the environment and gives architecture and ambience a contemporary look, while at the same time guaranteeing sustainable efficiency and future security. This is not least due to our innovative future-proof technology with an interchangeable light engine, which we have been using successfully since 2017 and marked with a plus behind the series name. Our particularly versatile LED surface light FL Round has now also received such a plus and thus an interchangeable light engine. With a clear design language and the super flat height of just 14 millimeters, the timeless classic from Performance in Lighting effortlessly creates the symbiosis between general and workplace lighting. The slim all-rounder is both technically functional and aesthetically pleasing and can be installed as a wall, ceiling, pendant, or semi-recessed light. The FL Round Plus series contains variants for direct or direct-indirect lighting with Corona. Multiple luminaires can be mounted one behind the other using wiring. You can choose between 333, 555, and 777 millimeters in diameter for the size. The larger versions are suitable for spacious interior areas, such as reception rooms and stairwells, while the smaller luminaires optimally illuminate offices, common areas, and conference rooms. If large and small versions are combined, the luminaires appear equally bright thanks to different luminous flux packages. Their high-quality flat light shines across the entire emitted surface. Due to their enormous versatility, the FL Round Plus luminaire family can be used to illuminate almost all rooms in a building in a uniform design language. The optics can be selected according to requirements. For example, in the version with a microprism for glare-free lighting of computer workstations, or as a version with an opal cover for creative zones or foyers. The control options, such as switchable or DALI, the light colors 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, or Tunable White, and the power levels can also be individually combined. Overall, you have the option of choosing from over 500 standard versions. But there are no limits to your design freedom beyond that. Do you need lights with blacklight optics or with integrated emergency light? Would you like to personalize the light frame with logos or symbols? Or are you thinking of a different color from the wide RAL color palette instead of the standard colors white, black, and silver? No problem. At our development and production site in Goslar, we manufacture customized special solutions made in Germany. This guarantees you a high level of vertical integration, top quality, short delivery routes, and low environmental impact. This flexibility, the high efficiency, and the replaceable light engine make our FL Round Plus series the first choice for renovation and revitalization projects. Because the luminaire family enables sustainable use of existing systems, it is ideal for the energy-efficient, one-to-one replacement of luminaires with compact fluorescent lamps or ring-shaped fluorescent lamps. The convenient handling enables quick and easy installation. Thanks to innovative technology, including a safety rope and click-in system, installation flush with the ceiling or wall is a breeze. Even as a new system, you can use the subsidized, maintenance-friendly FL Round Plus to create a long-lasting lighting concept that meets the applicable standards and eco-design requirements. The stable housing made of durable sheet steel and die-cast aluminum, the high-quality, scratch-resistant powder coating, the replaceable light engine, and our consistent identical parts strategy offer you and your customers security for the future. Even at the end of its long lifespan, the LED retains almost its original brightness, which means that the appearance of the object is preserved. The LED replacement itself is then as easy as with the fluorescent lamp. In addition to the biologically effective, changeable light color of 2700 to 6500 Kelvin, the Tunable White version is also HCL ready, which means it can be integrated into intelligent building controls with human-centric lighting. And even if the name doesn't suggest it, our FL Round Plus is even available in a square version. After all, architecture, interior design, and lighting concepts sometimes require a clear edge. Whether round or square, with the Light Performer, your project vision takes shape in no time. The unique online planning tool offers quick and modular configuration in just a few minutes. Whether round or square, with the Light Performer, your project vision takes shape in no time. The unique online planning tool offers quick and modular configuration in just a few steps. It is easy to use and self-explanatory. Even a complex lighting system can be configured within 5 minutes. Test the Light Performer directly on our website. There you will also find all the technical data for our versatile FL Round Plus family,